Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to withdraw cash from a Chase ATM without your physical debit card using the Chase app or cardless NFC. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To do it, first what you need to do is open up your wallet app. So simply head over and open up your wallet application, and once you're inside there, what you need to do is, if your Chase debit card or credit card is added here, simply tap on the credit card, and then once that's done, next is to look for a symbol with waves on the ATM screen or near the card slot, which will be shown like this. And once you do that, all you gotta do now is tap on the ATM screen with your phone and or press any button so it becomes active. Then next is the part where you hold the back of your phone closer to the contactless symbol on the ATM and keep it there until you feel a vibration or a beep or see the ATM screen change. Your cash card will be recognized. Then next is, depending on your phone, what you need to do is use Face ID, Touch ID or your passcode, and if you are using an Android, use fingerprint face unlock PIN. This confirms it's ready you. The next is to choose withdraw cash, and once you choose it, select withdraw, choose the amount, and the ATM will dispense the cash. And lastly, collect your cash, take your receipt, and you're done. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.